Hi everyone, my name is Sally. I'm the Global Beauty Ambassador for RMS Beauty, and today I'm here to show you how to apply one of our most iconic products, the Luminizer. To enhance the cheekbones, Rosemary suggests starting a finger width out from the eye and keeping it on that high point of the bone here and not bringing it too far into the middle of the face, so keeping it behind that eye line. I like to apply it with not a lot underneath it because it makes them even more reflective, and I like to apply it with my fingers in a patting motion using a clean finger to blend out the edge. The other area that really comes alive with Luminizer is the eye area. We like to apply it just above the point of the brow, just to lift the brow and open up that eye area. A little bit on the lid, just above the lashes, above the pupil, and then a little bit on that inner corner here. You can do this with your finger or with the brightening brush, which was made for specific targeted application of the Luminizers. You can also enhance your lips with the luminizers. You can apply a little bit to the cupid's bow in the center of the bottom lip. It will enhance the volume of the lip, but also give you a bit more moisture without the stickiness of a gloss. And finally, we can't forget the body when it comes to creating the illusion of glow. So you can apply luminizers to the shoulders, the collarbones, even the hands and down the center of the legs to make them look longer. I'm going to use my luminizing brush just to buff it into my shoulders, and you'll really see the skin come alive and match the face as well. So all you have to do now is choose your color or colors and get your glow on with the RMS Beauty Luminizer.